Brian, I can't believe this day is finally here. I've always felt that time has been on our side. 7 years later, 4.5 years of dating, 4 years of living together, 3 years as dog parents, and a fairly long engagement, there's no one else I'd rather be standing with me today. You are compassionate, patient, loyal, and one of the most impressive people I know.
Reed, my whole life, I always thought that I would be fine on my own, that I didn't need anyone else. But then you came into my life, and everything I thought I knew went straight out the window. Because from the moment I met you, I realized just how empty and incomplete my life truly had been before you became a part of it. Reed, you make me a better person in every way, and you inspire me every day to strive to be a better man. And I'm so happy that fate chose me to be your partner in this crazy thing called life. Love you forever.
Brian, you are my biggest support, the person who always lifts me up. I love you more than you'll ever know, and most importantly, I'll love you forever.
Brian and Reed, may your mornings bring joy and your evenings bring peace. May your troubles be few and your blessings many. May your hands be forever joined in friendship and may your hearts be forever joined in love. Your lives are very special. God has blessed you. May his blessings continue all through your lives. Congratulations, and we love you.
We've gotten to know Abby and I, Brad and Mary, and we realized as we speak that we are blessed. You know, we raised 2 healthy kids, and they've grown to be very responsible, honorable, trustworthy. They're good friends to their friends, and we are blessed to have them. Raise your glasses. To Brian and Reed, may you have a long and happy marriage. May you have great success and much joy. Cheers.